Our team met Craig Edwards back in 2022 and we were interested in promoting the sustainability side of the agenda across Cymru Morgannwg. From the cake work that we did together as a team, we decided to recycle cardboard because it was readily available. There's plenty of cardboard in the NHS that can be reused or repurposed. I think every health board has a lot of cardboard, every public service has a lot of cardboard. Here in Cymru Morgannwg University Health Board, everything that is delivered by NHS services is delivered in cardboard packaging. So that could be food, it could be medical equipment, it could be anything.
The waste cardboard that comes out of Cymru Morgannwg would go off with our current contractor, shipped abroad, which obviously has a massive environmental impact. And Elite are able to collect the same product in an electric vehicle, and sort of closing the loop, I suppose, for circular economy. The product is shredded, baled and sent down to South Wales Police for the dog and equine department.
So with our animal bedding, we have a wide range of customers which include the NHS. Our drivers go to the hospital to collect the cardboard. It then comes back to our warehouse here in Pentrabach in Merthyr. And what happens is it first goes into the sorting department where our warehouse sorters will go through each piece of cardboard to make sure that it's clean, then goes through the part of the warehouse where all the machines are, and that then enters our cardboard shredder. We then create 28 bales per pallet of cardboard, which is the typical usage that farmers or any of our customers will use. We then deliver it to South Wales Police over in Bridgend.
So we were contacted by the NHS to become involved in the project to assist with a trial with Elite with our horses to receive a number of bales of the shredded cardboard. So we've had that delivered, we've trialled it for a couple of weeks now. We've utilised it with 3 of our horses. So for us it's been fantastic to trial a different type of bedding. So with the cardboard what we found is that it's lower in dust than the pellets that we use. So for some of our older horses or horses with certain medical conditions, it's been working really well because it's lower dust. And what we've seen so far with the staff, they're breathing in less dust as well, and when they're mucking out horses every day, they're preferring to use shredded cardboard. We also found that our dogs really enjoyed sleeping in it as well. So we've been using it with our dog section as well as the mounted section.
We use the bedding for them to sleep on. We find that it's very good for insulation. It's spread around on the floor and they'll sleep in it, couch up in it, roll up in it. And we found that it's cost effective and it is good insulation. It doesn't offer any dust. So allergy wise, they don't seem to sort of pick up anything from it.
Within the main charity of Elite Supported Employment Agency, we are also hoping that we'll be able to create work experience and work placement opportunities with South Wales Police Station. So they'll be working in partnership with the main charity to employ and give work experience to individuals that have additional needs. Perhaps autism, learning difficulty, learning disability, and then building up a positive relationship there as well. The hope is that if we can maintain a positive working relationship with South Wales Police, that possibly even in the future we may be able to work with other police stations if all goes well.